Hello, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. Arianis is planning to drive from city X to city Y. The scale drawing below shows the distance between the two cities with a scale of 1/2 inch equals 9 miles. What is the actual distance between the two cities? And we can see in the picture that on the scale drawing, it's 4.5 inches. So again, this is the same as just this simple scale map. The main difference, we have to deal with these halves right here, okay? And that's just some simple arithmetic once that you have gotten used to it. So the first thing we should try to do is figure out how many miles is just 1 inch. And you might be able to do that in your head already, but if we think of kind of a ruler sort of thing, and I'll say inches to miles, should be lowercase. 1/2 inch is 9 miles. That makes 9 miles. And that would mean that if we multiplied 1/2 by 2 to get 1, and we'd also multiply 9 by 2 to get 18, that would mean 1 inch is equal to 18 miles. That's what you would call the scale factor. Again, you're going to have just one. It's going to be a scale factor when the number of these on the scale drawing is just a 1, and then you can see how many miles is just 1 inch. So going forward with that, doing more of that, we can go to 1.5. Let's see if this works. It just carries down the 1 and 1/2. Would be, we just keep going up by 9 every time we add a half. So we would have 27, and we have 2, we'd have 36. So you have all the tools you need. I'm sure you have paper and pencil somewhere. You could draw a table just like this, and you could keep going all the way down until you get to 4.5 inches. If that's what you need to do, do it. But a faster way, if this were a really large number, is now that we know that 1 inch is equal to 18 miles, again, 1 inch, 18 miles, we can just multiply 4.5 by 18. And setting that up as a fraction, 4.5, that's going to be 9 halves. And again, if you need to have a refresher on multiplying mixed numbers by fractions, check that out on the internet. I'll see if I can put a link to my own video in the help sheet as well. So that times 18 over 1, because that's how many miles in 1 inch. Okay, 9 times 18. You can multiply that however you want, but I am thinking of 9 times 9, I know, is 81. And 81 times 2 would be 162. 162, and that's over 2. So we end up with 81. 81 miles. And let's check out the other way if we just continue doing it like this. It'll go past the chart, so I'll delete some of this. So 2 and 1/2, we're going to go to 3 and 1/2, 4 and 1/2. Now again, this is just an alternative way. You don't have to do it this way if you could do it the other way. And this we just keep counting up by 9s. 3, 72, and 81 corresponds to 4.5, and that is just a way for me to check my work. Yeah, I got 81 that alternative way as well. So 81. Yeah, there it is. Again, if you get it wrong, analyze why. It's all about why did I get this wrong? That's the question you need to ask to get it right next time.